And this is how Orlando Pirates took the lead through the courtesy of Relebohile Mofokeng goal with an assist from Evidence Mahopa. A very beautiful one. So let's roll it back and let me take you through the moment, how it came about, how quick the goal we got. And it started with the interception of Oki, which the ball ended up on Makaula, who dribbled the Ribeiro with the composure, and the pass to Van Rooyen saw Mahopa run, and that was a very beautiful run from Evidence Mahopa, and he timed his pass and waited for the right moment to play that pass to Relebohile Mofokeng, who did not make a mistake in converting that goal. A very, very beautiful goal, and I think it only took about 3 or 4 seconds from where the ball was recovered and to the goal that was scored. I want you to look at that. Only 3 passes, and then there was a goal. 3, it's Van Rooyen, and then from Van Rooyen it's Mahopa, and then from Mahopa it's Relebohile Mofokeng, and that was a very good bucket run from Evidence Mahopa. He waited patiently for Mofokeng to be on that position until he provided the pass. And what I love about is the intelligence of both players and understanding that I have to be on Mahopa's space for me to score that goal, since Mahopa was occupying that wide space. And while we're still watching the replay, boom, we saw another goal. The boy has done it again, and I couldn't even believe myself. Like, I'm seeing a 2 goal while there was a replay for another goal, and that how quick was the goals from Pirates. It started from this moment, Van Rooyen pressing Modiba missed pass, and with the intelligence of Mahopa again pressing the ball, and the ball ended up in Mofokeng's foot, and the rest was history. I mean, look at that, the technique, the placement, not going for power and hiding, using this defender as a shield. And to do that to Africa's #1 and the Yachi's nominee, he hasn't made Williams average. And let me take you back to this moment. Look at that. Even Mofokeng in that moment still had an option to pass Mahopa, because Mahopa was running towards the box. And that's how Mahopa was crucial in every moment that was critical for Pirates. He provided and created space for the defense, for an attacker that is Mofokeng. And again, we're just so quick when going forward. And again, here's Mofokeng attempting. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. Fasa, boy.